Somewhere on Earth, a sound is driving people insane, and science can't explain it. In Taos, New Mexico, residents reported deep, constant hum, like an engine that never turns off. The terrifying part? Only 2 to 4% of people can hear it. Those who can suffer from insomnia, headaches, nausea, and a feeling of vibration inside their bodies. Scientists brought in advanced equipment, but often found nothing at all when the sound was reported. Similar hums have been heard in the UK, Canada, and Australia, ruling out local machines or factories. Some believe the sound isn't external, but something only certain human brains can detect. Would you stay or leave? Follow Synthivate Media for more unsolved mysteries.